Hello developers, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe for more updates. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can detect the age from the selected image and you can crop it accordingly. So first step, you need to delete the folder from the highlighted file path. So I will go to that file path. See, I am having this folder. So in some case you will not have this folder. If someone have this folder in this location, so you just need to delete this. Okay, so next step, you need to download the Nugget package from the highlighted website. So on your right hand side corner you will see this link, so you need to download this. Then you will see in the download this file. So I'm going to copy this file and I will paste into some separate location. So here I have copied that file. Now next step is we need to convert that file into .zip. So how we will do, before you do this, you just need to copy this and again paste in the same location. So now you have to edit the copied Nugget package, that is .zip. As I have copied this, now as you can see it is converted into this. So now next step we will extract here. Okay, so it is successfully extracted. Now in the fourth step, which is very important, that is you need to download the Nugget Package Explorer from the Microsoft Store. I have given the link here, you can follow the link, and I'm going to download from the Microsoft Store this package. Make sure this package you don't have before you start my video. Please make sure you don't have this app in your desktop. If you are having this, please delete this, because from step 1 to step 3, if you are having this app called Nugget Package Explorer, then 1, 2 and 3, these 3 steps will not work. So after third step completed, fourth step, you need to download this. So now as you see it is downloaded. Now next step is you need to edit the plugin, because that plugin is PCL plugin, because the owner of that plugin has not converted his plugin to the .NET standard, so we will do that. So you can see in the detail you need to add the 3 folders. Okay, so we'll start editing that plugin by double click. Now in this lib folder you need to add that 3 particular folder. So before you proceed, just make sure you will add the folder exactly what I am giving the name here. First folder I have added Mono Android 10. Now you need to add existing file from the location where you extracted the Nugget packages. So I have extracted here. I will add from lib, added. Next folder you need to add is .NET Standard 1.0. So I'm going to add .NET Standard 1.0. Same step, you need to add the DLL third step you need to add folder is iOS, and you need to add DLL. Okay guys, so this is ready to use. So just final step, you need to save. Okay, so just need to confirm that following plugin is working or not. Just double click and just cross check it has added the 3 folders. Make sure every folder has a DLL. Okay, so now next step, I have already created a sample project and I will push this project to my Git. You can get the source from that. So in the Nugget package solution, I have added XAMPP, a plugin media, to pick the file from your gallery. You can get the videos and every content to follow this step, how to add this Nugget package and how to configure it, because you need to give some permission and you need to add some folders in the resource that file, and you need to copy this. And the next step is to need to add manifest. Inside the manifest application tag, you need to add this provider and you need to add this permission. Okay, so this is I can say that external part. Just need to add this plugin and pick up. It's a file pickup plugin basically. So we'll not concentrate on that. So we'll concentrate on our plugin that is for cropping the image. So how you will add? So you need to go into the setting. You need to click here. Then as you see, I have already added one path here, so I will remove and I will add again for you guys. So you need to give the name local packages and the source is the file location where you have added. So I will give the file location plugin. Okay, so I will gonna add this. Then in the by default it is selected all, so you need to change to the local package. Then when you go to the browse, it automatically gives you the edited plugin which we have earlier added. Now you just need to install. Ignore the errors. Okay, so it is successfully added. Now I will suggest you to add folders, that is helper, in your solution. Inside the helper I have added 2 files, that is one is Android helper and one is iOS helper. So the 7th step is 6th and 7th step is you need to add the DLL here. So how you will do this? It will give you errors, so don't worry, just do this. Add mono Android DLL. Then same in iOS, add this DLL. Okay, so this 2 class is ready to use. Now I will just demonstrate the simple design that I have added one button, and the second layout I have added is the image to display the output. So in the code, when you go and check in the button click event, I have first checked the permission. Then after the storage permission granted from user, I am going to select the image from my gallery. So after it select the image, it will check the platform. If Android, then it will go into this, and if iOS, then this. Then it will go into the convert class. In the convert class, you can see it applies all the different filter which is required, that is canny filter, edge detection, then blob counter, then So as you can see, if by this class all the filters are applied, and I have shown you how to save the output using dependency service. So now let's run the app. So I'll show you the demo. As you can see here, the app is running. I will add the image from my camera. I have selected one document. Okay, so as you can see, our output is ready. Here you can see it has removed all the background from the image, and when you see the original image, so as you can see, the original image is slightly turned to the right hand side. So our plugin has managed this, and it will give you a straight image, no rotation, no background, nothing. So it will give you a proper image. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any question, please mention in the comment, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you guys.